We're back again with our writer's workshop from yesterday. So I wanted to spend some time to reveal what is happening in this picture. So yesterday I asked you guys to raise a response replying to what is happening in this picture, support evidence with items in the picture, and then expand by telling me some more details. The more details, the better. Okay, so if I go down, 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 we see the reveal. So the caption that actually accompanied this picture was right here. Students of the Islamic Educational College School celebrated Teachers' Day in Amman, Jordan. Hundreds of students released balloons which were tagged with handwritten paper messages as part of the festivities. So in this picture, these students are celebrating Teachers' Day. Very cool. Okay, moving on to our picture of today on Thursday, March 19th. Here is our picture for today. We have many people and we have an animal. Okay. So your three questions are the same as yesterday. What is going on in this picture? What do you see that makes you say that? So what evidence do you have? And then what more can you find? So dig in a little deeper and give me some more information that you see here. So take a good look at this picture. What is going on in this picture? Look closely at the image. Then tell us what you see by posting a comment. So that's kind of what you're doing to me. You're going to respond to what is happening in this picture.